फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू अनदर एपिसोड ऑफ एक रिश्ता मीठा सा। जैसे कि हमने आपसे कहा था, एज वी टोल्ड यू, वी आर गेटिंग यू अ सीरीज ऑफ टॉक्स विद डॉक्टर कुलदीप सिंह, हु इज अ लाइफ कोच और साइकोलॉजिस्ट भी हैं। हमारे साथ बहुत अच्छी सी बातें ज़िंदगी की शेयर करते हैं, जो हमको पता चलता है कि अपना पीस ऑफ माइंड कैसे मेंटेन करना है, हाउ टू लिव अ हैप्पी, जॉयफुल, सक्सेसफुल लाइफ। सो टुडे वी हैव अ वंडरफुल टॉपिक कॉल्ड एंड्स, जिनको डॉक्टर साहब बोलते हैं कि चींटियाँ होती हैं, ऑटोमेटिक नेगेटिव थॉट्स। तो आज हमने डॉक्टर साहब को बुलाया है अपने साथ स्टूडियो में। वेलकम डॉक्टर कुलदीप सिंह। आप हमें आज ऑटोमेटिक नेगेटिव थॉट्स के बारे में कुछ बताइए। क्या होती हैं एंड्स, क्या होती हैं ऑटोमेटिक नेगेटिव थॉट्स, क्या होती हैं एंड हाउ आर दे प्रोड्यूस्ड, बनती किस तरह से?
Thank you, Renu ji. As the name suggests, automatic negative thoughts, or in short, they are also called ants. They are really automatic and they are negative, so they are called automatic negative thoughts. Now, what is ants actually? They are the first response of a person.
That is why automatic.
Yes. Or they are the reflex action of a person to a situation, or rather to a adverse situation.
Okay.
And why they are negative or why they are automatic? Because of the stories we feed to our mind.
Like what?
If we keep feeding positive stories to our mind, then about ourselves, about our past, successes of our past.
जैसे कि
if we are successful in the past, we have pleasant memories, then we will automatically daily repeat those and we become a positive person.
दोस्तों को भी शेयर करते हैं अपने।
Yes, exactly. But in case of negative thoughts, those people who have more of negative thoughts, what happens in them is they are always feeding their mind with the negative stories of their past, their failures of the past, or maybe with the stories they feed, negative stories they feed about their past, they also become very gloomy about their future.
सोच के उदास भी हो जाते हैं।
उदास भी हो जाते हैं। उस वजह से they always are feeding themselves with the negative thoughts, and so the mind becomes what we feed the mind.
तो ये ऑटोमेटिक मतलब ये ऑटोमेटिकली आना शुरू हो जाती है, क्योंकि कहते हैं कि जो बार बार चीज सोचो वो आदत हो जाती है, unknowingly आपको पता भी नहीं चलता, and they become automatic.
Yes, it becomes a habit, and what exactly happens is we are feeding automatically, and the mind, the first reaction of the mind is always based on the past experiences.
Okay.
So the past experience of such persons also is mixed actually. They do have the positive also, but they are not highlighting that. They are not making it aware. It gets buried under the so many negative thoughts that you don't even remember that you were successful in life. So they are always feeding negative and negative.
मतलब वो अच्छी बातों को याद करने की बजाय बुरी बातों को बार बार याद करके उदास होते रहते हैं। दैट इज वाई वो ज्यादा उनके ऊपर हावी हो जाती हैं अच्छी थॉट्स के ऊपर। ओके।
Now what actually happens in case of these negative thoughts, or why these negative thoughts produce the reactions or the effects? We'll talk about them. Just I like to tell you that human mind is a versatile thing which keeps working 24 hours 7. We are thinking always throughout, whether we are sleeping, even then we are thinking. And if I tell you, in a normal person, these thoughts are about 12,000 to 60,000 per day.
इतनी ज़्यादा?
Yeah. So roughly say you can say 2 to 3 thoughts in 2 seconds.
Oh my God, so many thoughts.
Now just imagine a normal person is getting 2 to 3 thoughts in
1 second.
2 seconds.
2 seconds, sorry.
So even the 2 seconds is a very small time. They cannot analyze these thoughts. Now what happens in case of people who have negative thoughts and who are depressed or under stress? The frequency of these thoughts increases. Say if we just multiply it with 2, double the number. Say if instead of 2 to 3, if it becomes 4 to 5 or 6 per 2 seconds, then how many thoughts in a day will be there? If it is already 60,000 for a normal person, it will be 1,20,000 or maybe more.
Oh my God.
So now what is happening? The thoughts are coming in a train. One thought is coming, second thought is coming, and they're just overlapping. So in case of automatic negative thoughts, person even doesn't know what the thought is coming to him. He just feels the effect of that thought: irritation, anger, anxiety, or maybe depression and stress.
दब जाता है उनसे वो.
दब जाता है. और and in case of say chronic automatic negative thoughts, person start even getting worthlessness, helplessness, and sometimes even low esteem, self-esteem.
तो डॉक्टर साहब, इनको हम ये कह सकते हैं कि एंट्स यानी चींटियां जो आपके दिमाग की शांति को चाट जाती हैं.
बिल्कुल. That's why in short term they're called ants, because they just
nibble at your
at, and they just you get that feeling as if ants are running all over your brain, your mind.
छोटी छोटी सोचें जो हैं वो कटोचती रहती हैं आपको, और अगर वो नेगेटिव है तो फिर चोंटी तो मारती होगी.
Yes, exactly.
Okay. So what are the effects of having so many negative thoughts?
No, what happens when you're having so many negative thoughts? They do produce corresponding chemicals also.
Okay.
And say, for example, there is stress, and most of the time the chemicals like adrenaline is secreted. These chemicals, they always are putting you in a sort of fight or flight mechanism. And when you are always in fight and flight mechanism, like in the previous episode also I told that took the case of a athlete, where the athlete also secretes that adrenaline, but since he is running a race, he consumes that adrenaline. But in case of people who are
not using,
then this adrenaline goes and sits in those organs of the body, and it creates problems.
So you got physical ailments also. इसका result हो सकता है.
Yes, it creates physical ailments also.
Okay, these are the effects. Peace of mind तो जाता ही जाता है.
Peace of mind तो जाता ही है.
हाँ. So आगे जैसे अगर मैं पूछना चाहूँगी कि इतना भयंकर इफेक्ट होता है, उसके बावजूद हम ये सोचते रहते हैं, तो इनसे डील करने का कोई तरीका भी है डॉक्टर साहब? Any way to deal with negative thoughts?
Yes, we can. And the good news is, say long time back, Abraham Lincoln, who was the president of America, he said that people are as happy as they want to be.
And
so that means that we have a choice as far as our happiness is concerned. That
to be happy or not.
To be happy or not to be happy. So since the choice is with us, we can exercise this choice. Only thing is, we should know first what is troubling us.
And then?
So the first step in case of these negative thoughts is that we need to identify them. Because the traffic of these thoughts is so fast that we even don't know what thought is there. You ask anybody, sometimes such people, what are you thinking? He'll say, no, nothing. Because he doesn't know, the thought is just passing by. So first and foremost, self-awareness and awareness about the thoughts which you are thinking is a must. For that, you have to slow down the traffic of the thoughts.
Okay.
And for slowing down the traffic of the thought, like in previous episode of anger management also, I told that we can do yoga, pranayam, like Anulom Vilom is the best pranayam.
इनका फायदा क्या होता है?
Because it balances the both hemispheres of the brain, and it slows down the activity of the mind. Mind becomes quiet and calm, and when the mind becomes calm, quiet, the flow of thoughts is also slowed down. And when the flow of the thoughts is slowed down, you can discern them, you can watch them, you can understand what thought is there.
So traffic जो है slow हो जाता है.
Traffic slow हो जाता है. Then we say trying to increase the gap between the two thoughts. When the first thought is coming to you and second is about to come, with Anulom Vilom and other techniques of meditation, you slow down your mind so much that the gap between the first and the second thought starts increasing. In fact, that is the crux of the meditation. That is what is called being in the moment also.
being in the moment.
Yes,
Mindfulness.
Mindfulness, because that gap between the first and the second thought is also called the present moment. Otherwise, we say that there are three tenses: past, present, and future. But where is present? If I ask you, where is present? You'll say just now, because where is just now? Just now has passed away. So if you are slowing down the process, you will increase this gap between the first and the second thought, and that becomes your present moment, which is also called thoughtlessness. So you are ready for the second thought, and when the second thought comes, you know what thought is coming.
मुझे डॉक्टर साहब आपकी वो बात बहुत ही पसंद आई कि 3 टेंसेस होते हैं. अगर आप उन टेंसेस की ख्याल नहीं रखेंगे तो आप टेंशन में जा सकते हैं, बिकॉज अगर आप बीच में गैप नहीं देंगे तो वंडरफुल थिंग यू आर टेलिंग अस. और क्या
सेकंड स्टेप इज रिप्लेस, वंस यू आर अवेयर अबाउट योर नेगेटिव थॉट, देन इज replacing that negative thought with a pleasant positive thought.
Okay.
Now how to do it? First and foremost, you have to just go back into your past. Everybody without fail has got a pleasant memory of the past. He at any given time he may have got some prize in some function. He may have excelled in studies or games, or may have got some gifts, some kind or whatever,
or even hugs from mama, papa, or brothers or parents,
or
friends.
Some appreciation, which if you memorize that pleasant moment time and again, you can visualize it and you can make it your permanent memory, so that it can be recalled at any time.
So basically आप ये कह रहे हैं डॉक्टर साहब कि जैसे हमको नेगेटिव थॉट्स का फर्स्ट और सेकंड थॉट के बीच का गैप बढ़ता है और हमारी अवेयरनेस में वो नेगेटिव थॉट आती है, तो व्हाट वी शुड डू इज ट्राई टू रिप्लेस इट विद अ पॉजिटिव, कि अगर ये सच है तो वो भी सच है कि देयर वाज अ गुड मोमेंट आल्सो. So why not think about the good things in my life?
Exactly.
That's a wonderful technique. What else?
So that becomes your switch. As and when your negative thought comes, you become aware about it and you switch it to a positive thought.
Switching, okay.
Yes. And then the good old teachings which our parents also used to tell us, eat your food slowly. Say खाने को 32 बारी चबाइए. उससे एक तो खाना जो है वो पच भी जाएगा, और दूसरा उसका मतलब ये होता है कि when you are eating your food slowly, your thought process also slows down.
And you are in the moment.
In the moment. And second, they used to tell us, walk slowly. Don't walk.
Don't rush. Just
don't run. Don't rush. And then is even talk slowly. If you do it, eat slowly, walk slowly, talk slowly, your thought process will automatically become slowed down, and you will be aware about your thought. And once you are aware about your thought, you can always choose to be replacing it with a positive thought and be happy.
तो मतलब आप चींटियों को हमेशा के लिए भगा सकते हैं. You can always replace your ants with lovely happy thoughts also.
Oh, exactly.
How nice. So wonderful. Thank you so much, Dr. कुलदीप सिंह. तो जैसे कि हमने सुना, यहाँ पर हमारे साथ आज थे एक रिश्ता मीठा सा में Dr. Kuldeep. He's a life coach also. He takes one-on-one sessions also, and he often gives such talks and such consultations to many people. And you have to experience a session with him. तो बहुत ही अच्छा लगा हमें. और मैं जैसे एक खास बात कहती हूँ कि जैसे प्रेजेंट जो है वो गिफ्ट होता है ना. हम बोलते हैं ना हमें प्रेजेंट मिला है, बर्थडे प्रेजेंट मिला है. तो हमारा जो प्रेजेंट मोमेंट है वो एक गिफ्ट है जो हम कभी खोलते ही नहीं है, क्योंकि हम कभी भी नहीं खोलते उस गिफ्ट को, इसलिए हम खुश नहीं रहते. तो अपने प्रेजेंट को खोलें, जैसे डॉक्टर साहब ने बोला है, सांसों पर ध्यान दें, खाने पर ध्यान दें, चलने पर ध्यान दें. बी अवेयर ऑफ लाइफ, ईच मोमेंट एज यू लिव, सो दैट आपका रिश्ता हो जाए मीठा सा जिंदगी के साथ. मिलते हैं आपको अगले एपिसोड में. थैंक यू फॉर बीइंग विद अस. बाय फॉर नाउ.